So, as promised, today, sorry about that. Yeah, a little bit unprofessional. So, today, as promised, this is for guiding how to meditate. And so, I'm not gonna go through like all dopamine or oh yeah, by the way about this. I'm gonna go straight to the point in how to meditate. It's gonna be very easy and very straightforward. You're gonna be actually surprised in how easy it is. So, meditation is basically about exercises in how to be more mindful, basically getting yourself in the present moment. If you have been struggling a lot with trying to focus on your work, on your studies, let's say that you have been trying to study for an assignment that you got a high school. It has been 10 minutes, and for some reason, your mind is always away thinking about something else. This video is going to help you, as it helped me a lot. And back then, when I tried this back in 2022, I used to struggle a lot with focusing. I really like computer science and programming. When I got my first course and in how to do websites and responsive design. It was actually a gift from my uncle back when I turned 14 years old. I always told him that I really like computer science, and I always been talking about that with him. So as a gift, which I'm very grateful for, he bought me, which was the beginning of my journey into software development. But while I was watching the lessons, the modules, for some reason my brain was always focusing on something else. The teacher will be talking about how to use HTML and CSS and for making it say a title that looks nice. My brain will be thinking about, what can I eat for lunch later? Oh yeah, you remember this movie from Star Wars? My brain was always just thinking about something else except the task. So, and by the way, this is mostly because of the instant gratification that we have with this. If you think about it, in the world that we live in, is full of dopamine, full of quick dopamine like social media. Now we have very short form content. People don't even have the focus to not even watch a short for 1 minute. That's how poor our attention span is. I remember that there was a story like 5 or 7 years ago. I don't really remember. You can actually find it on Google. A story that a man's and a human's attention span is actually the same level of a goldfish, and the attention span of a goldfish is around 7 seconds. So if that was like between 5 or 7 years ago, imagine how it is now. That is more quick dopamine with social media, movies, even the music that we listen to is even like quick dopamine. We get bored of a song in less than like what 15 seconds. So yeah, meditation is gonna counter all of those and all of that damage that it made us, the society, yeah, with this all of this instant gratification. And let's go right in. So as I explained, meditation is just exercises to get yourself more mindful, more in the present moment. And it consists like this. And no, it's no more like about religion. Sure, once again, as I explained in the previous video, there are certain forms of meditation, like that the Hindus and Buddhists does, but this is not the one that at least I do personally. This is more for focus, mindfulness. So literally just getting yourself comfortable in a specific place, let's say in your bedroom, in the living room, or out there in nature, whatever you feel comfortable. The way I do it in my bedroom, in the floor specifically, to be comfortable, but not that comfortable. Because if I'm very, I'm way too comfortable, I probably just I get knocked out, like I fall asleep. That's how I am. Yeah, especially if you do a lot of things during the day. Trust me, you will want to sleep a lot. But Anyways, just getting yourself comfortable. Let me just try here right now. Yeah, in my chair. You close your eyes and you place your attention in a specific part of your body. Usually, it will be your breath. So inhale, let's say for like 4 seconds, and then exhale for like 7 seconds, and that's it. And you do it for like multiple reps, multiple times, and that's pretty much it. Now, something that will happen naturally, as I also explained in the previous video, is that your mind will wonder about something else. Let's say it will wonder about what did you eat for lunch, or like is my girl texting me right now? Did she text me? Did she not text me? Whatever is gonna be wondering about, and then you will realize that, oh, I just lost focus. And that's the point. Yeah, don't feel bad about it if you got distracted while you were trying to focus on your breath. That's the point of meditation. And also, with total humility, you are not at that level yet. Neither am I, that I have been doing it since 2022, like for like what, 4 years already. And I'm not at that level yet that I'm like full concentrated for like, let's say, like 30 minutes or even like what, an hour. It's normal, it's part of the process, and actually that's where you're gonna get the actual benefit. It's just kind of like in the gym when you're trying to do a bicep curl. Your mind naturally wonders about something, yeah, something that is not in the present moment, like high school, let's say. You realize about it, and then that's when you try to put your focus once again on your breath. That's like one rep in the gym when you're trying to, let's say, like bicep curls. That's one rep, but for your brain to train your attention span, your focus. So you do it, and let's say for like 3, 5, 10, or even 15 minutes, you have that level of attention span. I really doubt it if you're watching a video like this that you constantly struggle to focus on your work. I don't think that you will last for even for 5 minutes, and it's okay. When I tried to meditate for the first time in my life, I could last maximum 3 minutes. And by the way, those 3 minutes will feel eternal. I mean it, bro. Eternal. But that's pretty much it for this video. I don't want to make it too long. That's a full guide on how to meditate. Give it a try. Don't be a little bitch saying, "Oh no, meditation doesn't work because I got distracted. Meditation doesn't work." Just coming on the comments. No, bro, that's not how it works. Meditation, I already told you, it's part of the process when your mind wanders because it's just natural. It's putting your focus once again. And how will that translate into your work? Let's say that you are, let's say, learning the Python programming language, and you are watching a full guide and of 4 hours. You are watching, you are going through the exercises, then your mind wanders about something else. You'll realize about it, oh yeah, I got distracted from watching the full guide on Python. And then what do you do afterwards? You put your attention back again into the lesson, into the course. That's how it is. That's what meditation is about. Putting your attention in the present moment. So that's it, bro. I really wish you success. And let's make those gains, bro. Peace out.